How to change messenger time zone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your messenger time zone. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your menu section inside your messenger. So since messenger had updated recently on its settings, so just click on settings, and once you're inside here, just scroll all the way down until you see the user custom status option. So if you can't find your custom status option, then it might be because of your region or country region. So what you need to do is you can use VPN in order to find that. But if you have that option in your messenger, which is user custom status option, so what you can do is, let me just show you by an example. If you have a custom status option, you will be seeing this option like this over here, and once you tap on it, you should see bunch of custom status you can set from. So simply select any one of these, and then you can just set out the time after it, and in case where you want to remove your status after, so select that particular time. And once you do all of that, just click on this update button at the top and you are good to go. So that is exactly how you can change messenger time zone on your messenger application. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.